Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYPE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. So first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above 35 cents. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 35, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above 35 cents, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Next level of support after that would be the bottom of this form, little consolidation area down there at 25 cents. So 35 and 25, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view. So this certainly assumes you have more of a broader time horizon on things, but that's where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 35 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price can stay above that purple line, the bulls are 100% in control. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at right now, seems to be right up there around the 41 cent mark. I realize the price did technically go up above it, but in general, I think we can all agree the main point of price congestion was right around 41 cents, so that'll be public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very, very powerful move today. I'm sure plenty of eyeballs will be on this one next week, so yeah, let's see what happens with it. Everybody have a great Memorial Day weekend. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.